the channel. My name is Rhonda and the first word of the channel is hot mess, and we are here to do a sneaky peeky preview of the FabFitFun winter box. This is the end of the year. Is it what it's been all year? I mean, as we know, and if you don't know, you can check my playlist. I unbox these quarterly, and you guys, they are pretty doggone good. If you've never heard of FabFitFun, you have definitely come to the right place. This is a subscription box, but it is not a monthly box. It is a quarterly box. So we are talking about the winter box today. I have unboxed the fall, the summer, the spring, and everything. And I told you guys in the past that I've been really happy with my FabFitFun boxes because they've changed the way they set them up. The way that they do them now is you are picking everything. And when it comes to FabFitFun, we are talking everything from beauty to lifestyle to kitchen gadgets, and my pick, I honestly don't remember. So it's gonna be like Christmas time for me here. It's like showing myself for the first time too. And you're interested in checking them out, I do have 2 coupons to offer you guys. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, I will not only have the links down below for you guys, but I am gonna be popping the coupons up for y'all. There's actually 2 ways that you can sign up for FabFitFun. So you can sign up and get the 20% off and be billed every 3 months. That's gonna be code hot mess, and like I said, that's gonna get you 20% off of your very first box with FabFitFun. Now if you want a little bit more razzle dazzle, you can use code hot mess gift. This is gonna get you a $200 gift when you sign up and become an annual member. So I'm gonna have the link to both down below. We'll go over it at the end of today's video again too. I'm just really excited to get into this box. So remember, keep in mind, this is a lifestyle and beauty box, and that you are customizing this box. And we are seeing these boxes upwards of worth like $300, $350. The first item, this is the Greg Natalie. These are the measuring cup sets. Now, if you don't know, my kids are loving to cook, which I absolutely love for them and for myself, because I'm not so much the best at enjoying cooking. I do it to feed the fam bam, okay? I do. However, I am really thoroughly enjoying watching my 20-year-old and my 18-year-old whip up stuff in the kitchen. So of course I thought of them when I picked out these measuring bowls. These are so nice too. Look at this. You've got like a little, it's like a speckled ceramic. So as you can see, they are like this really adorable like ceramic speckled type of bowl. You guys, these come in at like around $70. Fun little fact that I do when I'm making my choices and everything, I will go and like research the items. Does anybody else do that when you're making your picks? I'm like, I want to get the most bang for my buck, but I also want to make sure it's things I'm gonna use. And they're even labeled inside each cup. So you see that one says 1 cup. This one in here says 1/4. So these are really nice. And honestly, here's the thing I always tell you guys when it comes to subscription boxes. This is an amazing way to grow your collection of whatever you need. If you need kitchen utensils, what have you, or better yet, if you are looking to get maybe a lot of people's gifts, this is a great affordable way to do so. You go through and instead of picking for yourself, which is always fun to do, you're shopping for other people. This would make an excellent gift, and it's bougie. I went with another lifestyle type of product, and this is a scarf. It's a solid scarf. It's the Barefoot Dreams. Like, how flippin' nice is this? You all know I am about cozy, I'm about comfort, and I was so excited to see this. Fun little fact, my boy loves to ski, and I will do whatever I can. When my kids invite me to do something, I freaking do it. Well, my boy's been wanting me to ski. Fun little fact, I break everything from my collarbone to my bootay. All right, so I've taken the year to really try and work hard to strengthen my body so it can take a little tumble if it happens to take a tumble when I go skiing with him this winter. So I thought this would be perfect, and it's cute and trendy too, and it's so soft. By the way, I'll be popping up the prices for these items as well for you guys. I mean, when it comes to FabFitFun, this is my chance to literally get bougie bougie things on the best budget ever. All right, next in here, this I thought was really cutesy, and I thought for sure if I don't wear it, my 18-year-old definitely will. Have you guys seen these cute little bows that people are putting in their ponytails or just clipping their hair back with them? I was so excited when I saw that, because putting like a little pony in the back or something and having that in there, I just thought it was precious. More than likely, I can see my 18-year-old taking this, but stocking stuffer. You see what I'm saying? Why would you not? Of course, there was other things to choose from. This was something that really stood out. This is the We Wore What brand, and it's really nice. No fraying, anything. So, and the Brett is a good, nice, clippy Brett. So I love that. Next in here, your girl has been struggling with her dry under eyes. So when I saw the Perricone MD Soothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream, I said, go ahead, get in there, because mama needs that. As you guys know, the Perricone MD line is notorious for being an amazing skincare line, and of course she's not that affordable. So another reason why I was excited to be able to choose this as one of my picks in my winter FabFitFun box. Like, how nice and bougie is that? Oh, so yeah, we'll be trying that tonight, because the struggle is already happening. Moving right along, the next item that I chose, these are my picks, so if you guys don't like them, that's okay, because they have a bunch of other stuff you could be choosing. So the next thing that I did pick is the Everyday Body Milk Chill Peppermint Mandarin Cypress, and this is by Rosie Jane. It's an unwind and hydrate. It's a light milky formula, and it offers an instant hydration and helps to even your skin tone. It says it's also clean and safe formulas. We say no to over 4,000 yucky ingredients. You guys know I've been trying to be way more mindful of the products I put on my skin, the whole endocrine disruptors and everything. How nice is that? And it's in a glass jar. That smells like a freaking spa. Oh, it's nice and lightweight too. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. That literally reminds me of something you would smell at a spa, or when you walk into a spa. The last item that I chose is because I have been traveling by myself. I feel like in this day and age, you just have to be cautious. You just have to, you know, protect yourself. So they had this safety alarm. It's an easy pull alarm, and I went ahead and picked it up. It also has a flashlight, and it's just something I feel like you can just never be too cautious. We've got a little flashlight. Oh, sorry guys, that was really bright. But we've got a flashlight that you can also, it flickers for safety as well. And then you can attach it if you are running or something. You can have that flashing. But my kid is on a runner as well, so I thought this would be something that is a nice little safety device. And then of course you can pull it and it's gonna make noises. I don't really know if I want to pull it. And so like I said, you can literally pull it and it's gonna make an alarm. So it's a really nice safety device, whether you're out jogging, walking your pet at night, what have you, or traveling alone and you just want that extra added security. I love the fact that these were things that were actually offered in the FabFitFun for the winter box. I was just doing like what I knew I would use. I'm gonna pop up on the screen the grand total of everything that was in this box. And like I said, there are 2 ways for you to be able to sign up for FabFitFun using my coupon codes. You can do the one where you are billed every 3 months. Just use code HOTMESS and you're gonna get 20% off your first box with FabFitFun. Then you can use code HOTMESSGIFT if you wanna go ahead and sign up annually, and you're gonna get a $200 additional gift. I mean, either way, you got good goods happening, and you get to curate the box specifically for you. So I feel like for me personally, I will legitimately use everything in this box. But like I said, there are so many different items in here to curate it towards your wants and needs. So like I said, if you want to curate this thing all beauty related stuff, you totally could. If you want all things lifestyle related, that's on you, boo. You can definitely do that when it comes to FabFitFun. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with your girl in today's video and sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. And I guess I'll be seeing y'all on the slopes, hopefully upright. So let me know what's your favorite product in today's unboxing. I'm gonna go with the Barefoot Dreams. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you use my code to sign up for FabFitFun. I greatly appreciate it. And like I said, if it's not just for you, you can do your holiday shopping. Now is the time. It's here. This flipping year has flown by. 100% hands down. All right, I'm hopping off for now. Check me out on my other channels. Of course, I'm super active on TikTok and Instagram at HotMissMama04. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. If you like my eyes, think it's my bestie collection. Bye.
We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies.